Hi, I'm Susan Kennedy of Pretty Peaceful, and today I want to tell you a little bit about some Four Corners yarns that I've used to make my modern bohemian blanket here. And today I'll be showing you the High Desert Heathered worsted yarn. Four Corners Yarns is local to me here in the Four Corners area. I'm in the Southwest Colorado corner, and Four Corners Yarns is based out of the Arizona corner. And Four Corners Yarns is a product of the Four Corners Fiber Collective, which is a group that supports indigenous and rural shepherds and artists here in the Southwest. And High Desert Heathered is a worsted weight. It comes in 16 colors. They all start with this undyed gray, which is really beautiful. So it gives all of the colors a really saturated but kind of tweedy look to it, which is I was really drawn to the natural look of this yarn. So it is 50% Navajo churro yarn from Phil Singer, Jeannie Salt, and Lorena Nelson on the Navajo Nation in Arizona, and 50% merino wool from Cactus Hill Farm in La Jara, Colorado, which is in southern Colorado, which is a minority owned and operated farm that's been in the same family since 1867, certified organic farm, so you know they're taking good care of it. So that blend just creates a really beautiful texture in this yarn. It is delightful to work with. I just keep ordering more and more and more of it because I'm enjoying it so much. So this is the undyed gray color. Each skein is 200 yards, 3.7 ounces. And they come as these skeins here. I've wound most of my colors here into balls. This color Rust is one of my favorites, so I used it for the border of my modern bohemian blanket, which let me show you this here so you can get a view of how all the colors look worked up in a project. You can find this pattern in my book, Crochet Southwest Spirit. You can see that rust color just made really lovely fringe. Super saturated, kind of jewel tone colored. And I'll show you the rest of the colors here. I bought one of each. This one I've used most of it for the blanket. But this color is called Brick. It's kind of a really beautiful royal red. There's another hot pink that I used every last bit of in my blanket. You can see it here. That's called Magenta Berry. Really beautiful pop of color in the blanket there. I think that one might be my favorite. This color is called Pink. It is a really beautiful lavender, kind of heathered, gray undertones to it. And this is the one color I think I didn't use in this blanket anywhere. Oh no, I did use a stripe of it here. Really soft and beautiful, that pink. Let's see, this one, super bright color is Violet. I thought that went really well with the pink, so I put them close to each other in the blanket. Actually, this one might be Violet, and this one might be Smoky Lavender. Really two beautiful purples here. Let's see, then this one is Soft Sage, which I used a lot of that one too. Here we have Dragonfly, which I only have a few little balls of this blue left, but what a beautiful, vibrant blue. You can see that in the center of my blanket here. Here we have Teal, another bright one I used a lot of. Actually that's Aqua. Here we have Teal. Fern, really rich dark green, really beautiful foresty green. This one's Olive. And Golden Seal. That one's just super bright, it's almost neon, so I chose that for kind of the pop color in the center of each of my pieces of my modern bohemian blanket. And the last one here is Mustard, which is a really true, beautiful mustard color. So the yarn is just beautifully dyed. I forgot to mention it's naturally dyed. Naturally colored yarn, 15 colors plus the gray, and I highly recommend it. I used it for my modern bohemian blanket here, as I mentioned, and I'm using all the scraps for a few more projects. So this blanket took 1 ball each of these colors, plus another couple balls for the border and another couple balls for the rest of the blanket. But if you do get one ball of each color, you'll have plenty left over for other projects. So you can find them at fourcornersyarns.com. Take a look around. They offer a few different yarn bases, some Arizona grown and spun and dyed yarns, some beautiful yarns for weaving, and some roving. So check them out. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.